So I received my new Ender 3 and thought maybe you guys might enjoy an unboxing video. So this is the first one I've done. We'll see how it goes. If you guys like it, I'll do some more when I get new printers. So let's get started. So I had already opened the box just because it came in and I wanted to just peek inside, just make sure nothing was broken because I was going to be out of town for a while. And like I said, just want to make sure everything was alright. But so it comes with the invoice. Of course, the instructions. I'm going to move this over. Bunch of packing. Alright. Package with some sample filament, a limit switch, an idler pulley, or an idler, the spatula. Baggie with the side cutters, some hardware, and the tools, the usual tools that come with Creality printers. The power cord. Let's see, the spool holder bracket. Alright, some 2020 extrusions. Some 2040 extrusions, the lead screw and a plastic sleeve, part of the spool holder, the idler wheels for one of the brackets, the extruder assembly, stepper motors, stepper motor for the Z axis. Let's see. Alright, and then a big piece. Alright, this is the frame with the bed and the electronics and the hot end. We'll take a look at that more in a second. The power supply with a 3D printed end cap on it and a really ugly first layer, but oh well, otherwise good. It's nice, all the ends are sealed in here, so you're not going to, hopefully not start a fire. Let's see. The control panel with the LCD and the knob. And that is everything. That's it. Alright, so there's the frame with the bed. And Creality is including some injection molded, the larger bed adjustment knobs and the bed wiring strain relief. So they're including those now. Those weren't difficult to print, but I guess it's just one less thing to do. There's the typical Creality hot end. The electronics are inside here. All the wiring tucked up underneath. It all looks good. So, like I said, there's the hot end assembly. All of that. So, there it all is. They're using the XT60 connectors. It's interesting, the same thing that I use for my remote control vehicles. Let's see, so that is everything there. There's been a lot of good buzz about this printer. It's supposed to have really good print quality, and for the price, I think currently about $170, $180 US. I think it's really hard to beat. It's technically a kit, but I mean, you can see a lot of the sub-assemblies are already put together for you. So I mean, it's really just a matter of assembling the rest of the frame and putting the major components on. Yeah, the print quality is supposed to be really good once you get the machine dialed in. So I'm excited to get this put together and start doing some printing with it. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you do enjoy the unboxing videos. I'll do some more next time I get another new printer. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.